In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to efficiently navigate the process of making payments using Xero, the cloud-based accounting software that has revolutionized the way small and medium-sized businesses manage their financial operations. Whether you're settling invoices, paying suppliers, or managing expenses, Xero streamlines these tasks, and today we'll dive into just how you can leverage this platform to facilitate your payment processes. First things first, let's head over to the Xero website. This is where all your financial management begins. Located prominently at the top right corner of the home page, you'll find the login button. Clicking on this will prompt you to enter your credentials. If you're new to Xero or haven't logged in for a while, this will be your email and the password you set up during registration. Remember, keeping these credentials secure is crucial to maintaining the integrity of your business's financial data. Once you've successfully logged in, you're greeted by the Xero dashboard. This is your financial control room, where you can access all the features Xero offers, from invoicing to reports. However, our focus today is on making payments, so let's navigate to the business section. This is easily accessible from your dashboard, often highlighted to ensure you can't miss it. Within the business section, you'll find numerous options, but we're interested in the invoices button. This section is crucial for businesses managing incoming and outgoing payments regularly. When you navigate to this area, you'll see all invoices currently recorded in your Xero account. Now, to pinpoint the invoices awaiting payment, click on Awaiting Payment. This filters out any invoices that have already been settled, allowing you to focus on those that still need attention. It's a great way to keep track of your outstanding payments and ensures you don't miss any due dates. Identifying the specific invoice you wish to settle is your next step. Once you've located it in the Awaiting Payment section, click on it to view the details. This action opens up the invoice, providing you with all the necessary information, including the amount due, the due date, and the recipient details. At this stage, you're ready to initiate the payment, and to do so, you'll want to click on Add Payment. This option is designed to allow you to input the details of the payment transaction. The first piece of information you'll need to input is the amount paid. This has to be accurate to ensure that your accounts reflect the correct payment amount. Whether it's the full invoice amount or a partial payment, ensure you enter this figure correctly. Choosing the account from which the payment will be made is your next step. Xero provides you with a drop-down menu featuring all the accounts you've set up within the platform. It's important to select the correct account to ensure that your financial records accurately reflect the movement of funds. Finally, once all details have been reviewed and you're satisfied that everything is correct, it's time to click on Add. This action finalizes the payment entry in Xero, updating your financial records to show that the invoice has been settled or that a payment has been made towards it. It's important to remember that maintaining up-to-date financial records is crucial for any business. The steps we've gone through today don't just help you pay an invoice, they ensure that your financial records are accurate and reflective of your business's current financial status. This is invaluable for making informed decisions, managing cash flow, and preparing for financial audits. Xero's user-friendly interface and features like the awaiting payment section make it easier for businesses to stay on top of their finances. While navigating this software can seem daunting at first, regular use and familiarity will soon make it second nature. Before we wrap up, here's a tip. Regularly reviewing your invoices and payments recorded in Xero can help you identify any discrepancies early and keep your financial records in order. Taking a proactive approach to financial management not only helps you avoid late payments, but also gives you a clearer view of your business's financial health. And that's it. You now know how to navigate Xero to make payments. Remember, practice makes perfect, and the more you explore Xero, the more you'll discover how it can simplify your business operations. If you found this walkthrough helpful, consider exploring more of our tutorials to further your understanding and skills in using Xero for your business needs.